When we are little, we are full of dreams. Dreams of becoming a fireman, becoming an astronaut, something big and fantastic. But as we grow up, our dreams change and morph into maybe something not as exciting when we first had them. Why is that? Do we lose our connections with our ambitions? Does life get in the way too much? Do people break us down by telling us to grow up or to get a real job? When I started this channel back in February of 2021, I did it to add something different and fun to my regular writing. I wanted to practice my video editing, work on growing my personality, and trying new and challenging things. But now, I have a dream. And that is thanks to you, the subscribers. This channel has grown from the simple recordings of hopping on some bikes and recording them for fun to now doing full-on bike reviews, major trips across country, teaching how to be a better and smarter rider, and exploring the open roads for others to explore themselves. Because of you, I have been able to do all of this. Because of you, this channel has been able to grow. Because of you, my channel is becoming our channel. The Fat Boy Bob channel is officially growing into the Fat Boys community. I'm so excited to announce so many new things that will open up opportunities for our community to grow even further. Because of you all, I am now able to open up 2 new ways to be a part of this community. First, I'm so excited to announce a merchandise line where everyone will be able to get a hold of Fat Boy Bob products for you, your person, and your bike. This store will continuously be updated with more options of type of apparel and designs, all of which will be available to help further show your support and love for this community. And to even further help our community grow nation and worldwide, we will now also be launching a Patreon. From this, there will be multiple tier options from what is best suited for you in any situation if you are wanting to help give more to the community. From Patreon, you'll have access to our also brand new Discord server, early access to videos, direct input in video requests, live chats with me and other content creators, behind the scene content, and so much more. Because of you, all of these new and amazing things have been able to come to life. If you are interested in any of these, please feel free to go check them out, as I have put them in the description below and also linked up in the cards up top. Again, I want to say thank you. Thank you to you, and all of you. Because of you, the ones that actually hit that link button, the ones that hit that subscribe button, the ones that comment on the videos, all of this has been able to grow beyond my wildest dreams. And these dreams are only getting bigger and better for this channel. Thank you. Ride safe and stay vigilant out there. Peace out, Fat Boys.